Why my snake plant leaves curl. 8 main causes with solutions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thrip infestations of snake plants are the most common cause of leaves curling. They thrive on leaves, buds, and stems. When thrips feed, they penetrate the cell wall of the plant, therefore damaging the plant. If you suspect you have snake plant thrips, you may be able to identify them by looking for the black spots on leaves or buds. After removing dead leaves, separate them from other plant life by throwing them away. Wipe down both sides of the plant leaves with a wet cotton ball to get rid of all bugs. There are mealybugs and spider mites that feed on the sap of snake plants. This will cause the plants to become weak and unable to store water in the leaves. To eliminate spider mites, wipe the bottom of the leaves with moistened sponge. For a faster solution, you can spray the plant outside. When you have an advanced infestation, white round eggs will be recognizable as mealybugs. Combining soapy water with water and spraying plants inside can effectively prevent a bug infestation. Its leaves can curl due to fungal problems. If you suspect this may be the problem, look for signs of plant stress in addition to curling leaves. Providing the soil with well-drained soil and ideal temperatures may alleviate the problem. If you want to keep the plant but it is infected badly, consider putting it into a propagation or repotting mode. If you have underwatered your snake plant, it will not be able to carry out normal physiological functions. Without water, the roots of your snake plant cannot intake the essential nutrients from the soil. Watering it once in 2-4 weeks is sufficient to fulfill the moisture needs. Watering frequency and amount will depend on the season, potting mix quality, and pot size. It can be fatal for your snake plant when overwatered, and sometimes it will be impossible to save the plant. Therefore, it may cause your snake plant to curl its leaves because it cannot take up water and nutrients. To solve the problem, you need to check the plant root system right away. Pull out the whole plant and then wash the root system to get rid of the soil. If the root rot is too severe, then you have to propagate the plant to save it from dying. When indoor light conditions are sufficient, your snake plant can thrive. As a solution, find a spot near the window or somewhere else that provides enough light. Snake plant leaves can't handle the extra nutrients, causing burnt leaves or curling inwards. Using nitrogen-rich balanced fertilizers will solve this problem. If you have not done so already, you can consider using organic fertilizers since they slowly release fertilizer on your plants. Any houseplant soil must have the appropriate pH. Because soil pH determines the availability of nutrients in the soil. It is therefore crucial to know the pH of your soil to be sure about the problem. pH testers are available in the market. You can easily increase the pH by adding hydrated lime to the soil if it is too low or acidic.